Ring with unity. So definition is a ring R under addition and multiplication is said to be ring with unity if there exists an element E that is non-zero, okay, such that A into E equals E into A equals A for all A belongs to ring R, okay. And here's a point, like E is not necessarily equal to 1, okay. Let's just have an example, because sometimes we just think, right, that if we are talking about identity or multiplicative identity, then it is equals to 1. No, if it is an additive identity, then it will always be equals to 0. But in the case of multiplicative identity, it can vary from group to group, from ring to ring. For example, consider a ring 0 2 4 6 8, okay, under the operation modulo 10, right. Here we have operations addition and multiplication modulo 10, and here we can see the identity in this ring, like multiplicative identity in this ring is what? 6. Why 6? Because 6 into 2, basically, for example, I am just interested to check for 2. 6 into 2 equals to 12, and under modulo 10, 12 equals to 2. So when we are multiplying 2 with 6, it is again giving us 2. That is why 6 is the multiplicative identity. Similarly for 4, okay, I have multiplied 6 with 4, it gives 24, and under modulo 10 it is equals to 4. So when we multiply 4 with 6, is again giving 4. That is why 6 is the multiplicative identity here, okay. And for example, another example is like if you consider 0 to 4 under modulo 6, right, then 4 will be the multiplicative identity. So what we got here is the multiplicative identity necessarily not equals to 1, okay. But there's a point, the note is the additive identity is 0